Welcome back, guys. This is Eddie, part 2 of this watch. This is going to be the next day, and I got a battery, and I went ahead and mounted the little bracket here that holds the battery and all that. Went ahead and put the battery on, and I don't know, still don't have anything working. My seconds aren't going. The battery's good. I tested the voltage. I've got 1.5 volts on the battery. The only thing I can see that's working on here, because I tried to do a reset on here. I know there's different ways of doing resets on here. But I messed with these buttons here, and I can get the outer little analog gauges to work, but my seconds isn't motoring, isn't moving. And yeah, I'm at a loss. I know that let's put it on a microscope and I'll get a little close up here. I did notice that and researched on here, if you can see, it says here up is the positive. I guess that's just letting you know about the battery position. But I researched something where it says AC. There's a little arrow there, so I'm assuming it's this. If you ground this, I can see this little white gear here. I don't know how well that's going to show up in the video, but you can see a little white gear right here, just below the coil. If you ground the AC pad with the positive, I can make that motor for a second and it stops. So I'm thinking that is just possibly these little things here, because as you can see now, that arrow, let me go this way. See a little analog right there, and then right there. I think those are working. Seconds isn't. So I don't know, guys, if I'm gonna have to go back through the video. If anybody does watches and knows, or maybe saw something I did wrong, leave it in the comments. At this point, like I said, the battery was dead. We verified that this battery was dead, had like half a volt in it, just under a half a volt. So we know the battery was definitely dead. I have a new battery replacement, and now for some reason it's not. There's a good chance I may have goofed up. Where I think I messed up was this little bracket here that's part of this whole bigger metal piece here. It's all one piece. I decided to take this whole plate off because I didn't want to stress these two little things here and break them from lifting this up to do the battery. But I think maybe that's where I did goof off, maybe goof up. I should have just unclipped this and just tried to pry that battery out and then pop one in without have taken all this out. Because maybe, and I'm not an expert, I may have moved a gear. I may have something messed up here. So I may have to go back under here and actually attempt to look at these gears. And I don't know that that's something I want to do right now. Maybe I can. I figure worst case scenario, and I will take a look. If I damage something, then I will try to see if I can locate another quartz movement to replace it, because I do like the watch. I mean, whether it's not worth the money or not, I really don't care. I like the look of the watch. So I like the way it works. I like the date down here. I like that. It looks like a little dashboard of a car. So anyhow, I'll probably look and see if I can find a whole new quartz movement. I don't think they're probably very expensive, and just put a new one in it and be done with it, and then have basically a new working watch. So anyways, if you guys are like this, if you want to see me try to repair this, let me know, and I'll do another video on gutting this, trying to see if I did goof up or break something. And worst case scenario, we'll order a new movement and we'll put it in here. And I know that's going to involve pulling out the crown, and I'm going to have to pull the my hour, minute, and seconds hand out in order, I would imagine, to replace it, including that face. So there's going to be a little more work to it, but I may have to do that. But let me know in the comments if you're interested. If anybody knows anything about these watches and you're watching and can tell me from the first video where I goofed, I would appreciate it. Either way, we'll get it fixed one way or another. So have a great day, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.